Do this. 2 tablespoons before meals to stop diabetes and repair your kidneys fast. Have you ever considered that just 2 tablespoons before meals could be the key to preventing diabetes and enhancing your kidney health? Imagine transforming your well-being with such a simple habit. Taking just 2 tablespoons before meals could help heal kidney damage caused by some of the biggest health risks out there. In this video, I'll reveal how you can stop diabetes and protect your kidneys using 5 natural remedies. Did you know that diabetes is the leading cause of chronic kidney disease? Even in those without diabetes, high blood sugar levels can gradually harm the kidneys, reducing their function over time. When blood sugar is elevated, it begins to damage vital organs, including your eyes, brain, heart, and kidneys. Diabetes is a primary cause of kidney failure, responsible for nearly half of all cases. But you're not here to hear more about the problem. Your doctors already do that, right? I'm here to offer solutions. Let's explore 5 natural ways to combat diabetes and repair the damage quickly. Don't miss these life-changing tips. Your health journey starts now. Number 1. Eat more chromium-rich foods. Let's begin with some foods you should definitely eat more of, starting with those rich in chromium. This essential mineral is crucial in regulating insulin, carbohydrates, and fats in your body. Chromium deficiency can be tricky, especially if you have diabetes, as the symptoms often mimic type 2 diabetes, making it harder to manage insulin resistance. Interestingly, diabetes itself can lead to a chromium deficiency. That's why many people, including healthcare providers, recommend chromium picolinate supplements to help manage diabetes and support kidney health. Studies have shown that supplementing with this mineral can help manage blood sugar over the long term. I'll cover the recommended dosages shortly. Chromium is found in various foods. Brewer's yeast is an excellent source, as it's a probiotic and rich in B vitamins, making it one of the best sources of chromium. Turmeric is another great source. It's not only kidney-friendly, but also a key ingredient in my golden milk recipe. Other beneficial spices include garlic, mint, cinnamon, and anise. Whole grains and fresh vegetables also provide chromium. However, if your chromium levels are very low, which is common in diabetes, food alone may not be sufficient. If you suspect a deficiency, get tested. It's a simple procedure that can offer valuable insights. Research shows that chromium supplementation can improve insulin resistance, with dosages typically ranging from 200 to 1,000 micrograms of chromium picolinate daily. While this supplement is generally safe, high doses can accumulate. So always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement. The recommended daily intake, RDI, of chromium from food is just between 20 and 40 micrograms, but many people with diabetes or kidney issues have trouble absorbing it, which is why higher doses from supplements are often more effective. Number 2. Take apple cider vinegar before meals. Before we move on, our number 2 remedy is one you might already have in your kitchen, apple cider vinegar, ACV. Taking 2 tablespoons of ACV before your main meals is a powerful habit. ACV is one of the most underrated home remedies. While some think of it only as a salad dressing, several studies show that consuming real ACV can significantly enhance insulin response and reduce blood sugar spikes, offering 2 powerful ways to protect your kidneys. Additionally, ACV has been shown to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, with even greater benefits for those with diabetes. Another study found that the stronger the vinegar, the more it lowered blood sugar levels. The only caveat is that you need real, unfiltered, raw ACV. Most store-bought versions are filtered and pasteurized, removing many of their health benefits. Once you find real ACV, the best way to consume it is by diluting 1 to 2 tablespoons in a large glass of water and drinking it before meals or first thing in the morning for maximum impact on blood sugar reduction. Tips to stop diabetes. Before revealing today's most powerful remedy, here are some quick tips to boost your insulin sensitivity. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is crucial for managing your blood sugar levels, especially if you have kidney issues. Regular water intake helps your kidneys flush out excess sugar through urine and prevents dehydration, which is particularly dangerous for those with diabetes. Less water in your body means higher blood sugar concentration, so stay hydrated. 2. Choose low glycemic foods. Eating foods with a low glycemic index helps avoid blood sugar spikes. Vegetables, high-fat foods, and many fruits are generally safe choices. Although high-carb foods are usually not ideal for those with diabetes, some healthy high-carb options have a low GI that can help manage blood sugar levels. I've discussed these in another video. Make sure to check it out. 3. Monitor your blood sugar levels. Regularly checking your blood sugar at home with a portable meter can help you keep your levels under control and improve your overall management. Remember, what gets measured gets managed. Keeping a health journal to track your progress is beneficial not only for diabetes, but also for other important health markers like blood pressure, body weight, and caloric intake. 4. Add more fiber to your meals. Including more fiber in your diet can slow down the absorption of sugar, protecting you from spikes. Unlike fats, which are high in calories, fiber contains none. A great way to increase your fiber intake is by supplementing with psyllium husk right before your main meals, an easy and effective way to boost your fiber consumption. By following these tips, you can improve your insulin sensitivity and better manage your diabetes. Stay tuned for the most powerful remedy coming up next. Number 3. Berberine, a powerful natural remedy. Now let's talk about what might be the most potent natural remedy, especially if you have diabetes or high cholesterol. Berberine. This natural compound is found in plants like barberry, golden seal, gold thread, and turmeric. It's highly effective because it works at a molecular level, similar to some prescription medications. The best part? As a natural remedy, berberine is completely safe. Berberine can significantly lower blood sugar, blood pressure, and cholesterol levels, making it a powerful protector of kidney health. It's particularly effective against diabetes. Recent research confirms that berberine can help reduce insulin resistance in people with type 2 diabetes, both on its own and as an add-on therapy to other treatments. Researchers even suggest that berberine might be worth trying before starting insulin therapy under a doctor's supervision. In some cases, it may offer better results than metformin. Studies show that berberine can reduce fasting and post-meal glucose levels by more than 30%, which is remarkable for a natural remedy. The most common dose used in these studies is 500 milligrams 3 times per day before meals, totaling 1,500 milligrams per day. As always, consult your doctor before taking berberine or any other supplement. While berberine is generally safe, it can interact with some medications, such as immunosuppressants and blood thinners. Berberine could truly make a difference in your health, especially for managing diabetes and protecting your kidneys. Don't miss out on this powerful remedy. Number 4. Exercise before breakfast. You might think berberine should have been number 1, right? Well, there's something even more effective. Exercising before breakfast. A recent study proved that starting this simple habit every morning before breakfast has a bigger impact on glucose levels throughout the day than any prescription medication. Regular physical activity is the best thing you can do for your kidneys and overall health. It lowers blood pressure and cholesterol levels, often more effectively than drugs. It keeps your bones strong and can even boost your mood. Studies have shown that exercising before breakfast results in better glycemic profiles over the next 24 hours compared to exercising after breakfast. So, tomorrow morning, grab a cup of unsweetened coffee and get moving, even if it's just a little bit. Number 5. Inositol, vitamin B8, a secret weapon. Lastly, let's discuss a secret weapon for diabetes and kidney health. Inositol, also known as vitamin B8. Imagine a way to lower your glucose levels by an incredible 31.5 milligrams per deciliter in just 3 months. This could bring many people much closer to putting type 2 diabetes into remission. Inositol is particularly fascinating because it not only protects the kidneys from metabolic syndrome and hypertension, but also aids in weight loss. Plus, it has antioxidant properties that combat free radicals in the body and naturally reduces food cravings and appetite. Inositol plays several vital roles in the body, including regulating sugar and insulin levels, fat deposition, and blood pressure. Its structure is similar to sugar, but without the calories, and it actually improves insulin absorption, making it a powerful ally against type 2 diabetes. While you can get some inositol from foods like fruits, beans, grains, and nuts, many people still have low levels of it, especially those with kidney issues. This often overlooked nutrient isn't commonly found in multivitamins, and many people aren't even aware it exists. It's not officially considered a vitamin anymore because the kidneys produce some of it. However, for those with chronic kidney disease, natural production might not be sufficient. Low levels of inositol can cause weakness, lethargy, skin problems, insomnia, mental health issues, and hyperlipidemia, a condition where the body accumulates too many fats like cholesterol and triglycerides, which can worsen type 2 diabetes and other metabolic conditions. Clearly, supplementing with inositol can have a significant impact. Dosages of 2 to 4 grams daily are generally recommended to achieve its benefits, but it's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. The best part is that inositol is well tolerated with minimal side effects. Integrating inositol into your regimen could help lower your blood sugar levels and protect your kidneys effectively. Wrap up. Combining these 5 natural remedies, chromium-rich foods, apple cider vinegar, berberine, pre-breakfast exercise, and inositol, can lead to remarkable improvements in your blood sugar management and overall kidney health. Remember, these strategies should complement a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your routine, especially when it involves supplements or new exercise regimens. By taking proactive steps, you can manage diabetes more effectively and safeguard your kidneys against potential damage. Your journey to better health begins with these simple yet powerful changes. Start incorporating them into your daily life and see the positive impact on your well-being. Stay tuned for more health tips and updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Thank you for watching.